In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create an SMMA website on Wix or social media marketing agency. So I've just opened up Wix here and I will create a new site. So this is what the process is going to look like. So I'll just click on create on Wix editor here because in my opinion it's better. So we will get the AI option, but I will set this up without AI. So search for your business or site type. So we will just search for SMMA and you will see social media marketing portfolio, social media marketing agency, social media agency. Okay, social digital marketing agency. We will choose this one and we will click on continue here. So it's going to generate a bunch of different options for our website here for our social media website. So we will call it Ned SMMA. And so this is where we set our website name for our social media marketing agency. Site goals, collect leads, offer services, continue. You can change these later on. I will do bookings, events, and that's what I will do for now for my social media marketing agency website. And we will continue to the dashboard. Now here, like I said, we will need to choose a design for our website, which is really important. So I'll just click on design side here. And we will choose a template. So pick a template. Okay, and I'll just search for SMMA in the templates. So digital marketing agency. Okay, and you will just choose one which you like the most. For example, I like this one. So we'll click on edit. And this is going to begin implementing this specific design to our social media marketing agency Wix website. Now it might take a little bit of time before this actually sets up. It's going to look like this. It's going to add all of the different applications which we have previously selected from the previous screen here in our SMMA Wix website. And once all of these applications have been successfully installed onto the website, we can begin customizing this. So here we can generate site text. I'll just close out of this window. We can change this later on as well. So like this, I will zoom to 100%. This is what our SMMA website looks like. We can, this is going to be our, if we publish this, we will be able to get the link for our website. But basically we can customize this. We can remove any fields which we don't need by pressing on them, left clicking on them and pressing the delete key. And basically you can customize this to your needs, like I said, and that's how you make an SMMA website in Wix. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.